Assalamu alaikum, dear student. I hope you all are doing well. This video is on the topic of population and community ecology. The content is both shareable and easy to retain. So let's start. It's the outline of my video or topic. We will discuss about two parameters, population and community. First of all, we will discuss about the definition of population. A population is the number of organisms of the same species that live in particular area at the same time with the capacity of interbreeding. We can see in the pictures, it's the population of students in a class. Characters of population. There are three characters of population: size of population, density of population, dispersion of population. First of all, we should discuss about size of population. It is denoted by n and it is equal to the number of population, number of individual in a population. Density of population. It refers to the number of individuals in a particular area. Dispersion of population. It is about either population is more or less densely populated. Growth of population. Growth of population is the increase in the number of individuals in a population. Global human population accounts around 83 million annually. Growth curves. A growth curve is a graphical representation of how a particular population increases over time. We can see in the picture how population is increasing with time. Population regulation. It is a density dependent process, meaning that population growth rates are regulated by the density of population. Now the second parameter is community. The definition of community is: the community is defined as different population living together at same place and same time. Types of community. There are three types of communities: urban communities, suburban communities, rural communities. First type, urban communities. Urban community is something which an individual thought that as an area where with high density of population, availability of basic requirements, and area of good resources. We can see in the pictures the buildings and the densely populated area. Suburban community. A suburban community is a mixed use or residential area existing either as part of a city or urban area, just like towns, etc. Rural community. A rural community is an open swath of land that has few homes or other buildings. Not every people with less dense population. Analysis of community. The term community analysis refers to the process of gathering information about the community, and it should include local demographics. Ecotone. Ecotones are area of steep transition between ecological communities, ecosystems or ecological regions along an environmental gradient. We can see in the picture it's just like bordering line between two communities. Interpopulation interactions. These are the effects organisms have on each other in a community. There are two types of biological interactions. Positive interactions are mutualism, commensalism, and proto-cooperation. And the negative interactions are amensalism, parasitism, predation, cannibalism, competition. Types of biological interactions. इनके further two types हैं: intraspecific relationships and interspecific relationships. The relationships take place among organisms of same species, as we can see in the pictures, are called interspecific relationships. Intraspecific relationships. Interspecific relationships are take place among individuals of different species, as we can see in the picture. This is all about my topic. Thank you.